And here are the crypto top headlines. First up, Bitcoin to hit $50,000 in next 4 weeks. Here is how, says prominent crypto trader. Next, Sam Bankman-Fried found guilty on all 7 charges in FTX fraud trial. Also, PayPal faces SEC action related to PYUSD stablecoin. Plus, XRP gains approval from Dubai Financial Services Authority. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there's no clickbait thumbnails or titles, and no speeches on my opinions. Just bringing crypto's news to you. We are a new channel here on YouTube, and would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline, Bitcoin to hit $50,000 in next 4 weeks. Here is how, says prominent crypto trader. The cryptocurrency market is on a positive trajectory with a breakout in the 78-week chart. This marks the beginning of the third bull wave. Additionally, Bitcoin's correlation with the S&P 500, SPX, is presently the lowest in 4 years, solidifying its position as a reliable investment hedge. Adrian Zunzik, a respected crypto trader, offers a comprehensive technical analysis of Bitcoin's price trajectory. He predicts that Bitcoin will surge to $50,000 in the next 4 months with a remarkable 43% increase from its current BTC price. Will Bitcoin hit $50,000 in the next 4 weeks? I don't have a crystal ball, yet reliable technical studies says it's possible. Here's what I found. Bull market 78-week breakout. Starts bull wave number 3. SPX correlation lowest in 4 years. BTC is hedge. Long-term trends rising. Meanwhile, the upcoming anticipation of ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, approval and the scheduled Bitcoin halving event in April could also play a substantial role in Bitcoin's price trajectory. Technical analysis and chart patterns. To solidify his prediction, Adrian Zunzik has offered technical analysis insights that indicate an upcoming price surge. In October, Bitcoin's trading volume surged, indicating heightened market activity for November. The increase in trading volume often signifies growing interest and participation, elements favorable to a bullish trend. Additionally, indicators such as the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, show promise. The RSI reveals signs of an impending breakout, hinting at substantial price fluctuations in November. Golden Cross's historical trends. With the occurrence of a golden cross, signifies a dominant bull market marked by the 50-day simple moving average, or SMA, overtaking the 200-day SMA in an upward trajectory. However, the current numbers show the 50-day SMA at $27,714, steadily rising, while the 200-day SMA stands at $28,174. With such bullish sentiment in the market, it is expected that the next Bitcoin price target is approximately $40,000. Short-term price correction. Adrian Zunzik further sheds light on the possibility of a short-term price correction in the upcoming time. In the event of such corrections, Bitcoin's price may dip to a range of $33,400, characterized by consolidation and tightening momentum bands. Meanwhile, the key support for Bitcoin remains at $33,000, indicating that the bulls are firmly in control. Our next top headline, Sam Bankman-Fried found guilty on all 7 charges in FTX fraud trial. U.S. Attorney Damian Williams, called Bankman-Fried's crimes a multi-billion-dollar scheme designed to make him the king of crypto and one of the biggest financial frauds in American history. Former FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried was found guilty on all 7 charges by a jury in his criminal trial in New York after about 4 hours of deliberations. Bankman-Fried was found guilty of 2 counts of wire fraud, 2 counts of wire fraud conspiracy, 1 count of securities fraud, 1 count of commodities fraud conspiracy, and 1 count of money laundering conspiracy. He will return to court for sentencing by New York District Judge Lewis Kaplan on March 28, 2024. Government prosecutors will recommend a sentence, but Judge Kaplan will have the final say. Bankman-Fried's crimes each carry a maximum sentence of between 5 and 20 years in prison, with the wire fraud conspiracy, and money laundering conspiracy carrying a maximum 20-year sentence. In a press conference outside the court, the New York Southern District U.S. Attorney Damian Williams called Bankman-Fried's crimes a multi-billion-dollar scheme designed to make him the king of crypto and one of the biggest financial frauds in American history. Other key FTX executives, including former Alameda CEO Caroline Ellison, FTX co-founder Gary Wang, and former FTX engineering head Nishad Singh, have all pleaded guilty to various charges and worked with the government to testify against Bankman-Fried in the 5-week trial. Bankman-Fried had pleaded not guilty to all charges, and during his trial he took the stand to maintain his innocence and mark up FTX's November 2022 collapse as a number of big mistakes. He denied any wrongdoing in FTX's relationship with Alameda and attempted to distance himself from key decisions. Bankman-Fried pinned the blame on Wang for creating a function that allowed Alameda to trade funds on FTX that it didn't have and claimed he wasn't entirely sure what happened with Alameda's line of credit, which ballooned to billions in the collapsing crypto market of 2022. In his testimony, he also blamed Ellison for not focusing on risk management and didn't believe he defrauded FTX customers by taking over $8 billion worth of their funds. Instead, he framed it as Alameda borrowing from the exchange. Our next top headline: PayPal faces SEC action related to PYUSD stablecoin. PayPal was the first large fintech firm to adopt digital currencies for payments and transfers after launching its stablecoin in August. Payment giant PayPal has received a subpoena from the United States Securities and Exchange Commission regarding its U.S. dollar-pegged stablecoin. The Enforcement Division of the SEC has sent a subpoena to PayPal related to its PayPal USD, or PYUSD, stablecoin, the firm officially disclosed on November 2nd in its Q3 financial report with the SEC. Received by PayPal on November 1st, the subpoena requested PayPal to produce certain documents, the firm said. "We are cooperating with the SEC regarding this request," PayPal noted. The action comes about 3 months after PayPal launched its PYUSD stablecoin in early August. The stablecoin is issued by Paxos Trust and backed by U.S. dollar deposits, short-term treasuries, and similar cash equivalents. PYUSD is based on the Ethereum blockchain and is aimed at handling digital payments and Web3. According to a spokesperson for Paxos, PYUSD has seen a successful rollout so far, reaching a $150 million market capitalization in the 2 months since its launch. At the time of writing, the market cap of PYUSD is valued at about $159 million, with almost 2.7 million in daily trading volume, according to data from CoinGecko. The sharp rise in the adoption of PayPal-USD came amid major exchanges like Coinbase, Crypto.com, Bitstamp, and Kraken listing the stablecoin on their platforms soon after its launch. In September, PayPal announced the upcoming integration of the PYUSD stablecoin into the Venmo mobile payment service, allowing users to purchase PYUSD and send it to friends and family. Apart from aggressively moving into crypto in the United States, PayPal has also been progressing with crypto initiatives in other countries. On October 31st, PayPal received a license from the United Kingdom Financial Conduct Authority to offer crypto services in the country. The latest SEC action against PayPal is more evidence that the U.S. is a difficult environment for crypto companies. The regulator has sued several of the largest local companies in the crypto industry, including its ongoing lawsuit against Coinbase Exchange. In October 2023, the SEC finally moved to dismiss its 3-year lawsuit against Ripple, the company behind the XRP token, one of the largest cryptocurrencies by market cap. In April 2023, Circle CEO Jeremy Allaire argued that a cryptocurrency crackdown by U.S. regulators had been a significant factor behind the declining market capitalization of Circle's USD coin, stablecoin. Our next top headline, XRP gains approval from Dubai Financial Services Authority. Ripple also announced that it was working with the National Bank of Georgia on a digital currency as it grows its international presence. Ripple announced on November 2nd that the XRP token has been approved under the Dubai Financial Services Authority, or DFSA's Virtual Assets Regimen. That approval means that virtual asset firms will be able to make use of XRP if they are licensed within Dubai International Financial Center area, a special economic zone and financial hub in the United Arab Emirates' largest city. Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, said, "It's refreshing to see the DFSA encourage the adoption and use of digital assets such as XRP. Ripple will continue to double down on its presence in Dubai, and we look forward to continuing to work closely with regulators to realize crypto's full potential." The DFSA previously approved Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin in November 2022. Toncoin was also approved alongside XRP today. Ripple described its goals of expanding within Dubai earlier this year. Today it noted that it chose the DIFC as its Middle East and North Africa, or MENA, headquarters, and said that about 20% of its customers are based in the MENA region. Ripple is working with Georgia on digital lari. In related news, Ripple also announced the National Bank of Georgia had selected it as the official technology partner for its digital lari pilot project. The announcement indicates that Ripple was chosen as a partner from a short list of 9 candidates. The program will now move to a pilot phase and live testing. The project involves a tokenized version of the Georgian lari rather than the XRP token. However, the project will make use of Ripple's CBDC platform for central bank digital currencies, which is in turn powered by the XRP ledger, or XRPL. The pilot stage will reportedly experiment with possible applications for the digital lari in the public sector, for business, and for general retail users. Ripple said in its press release that it has previously announced pilot programs with governments in 5 other regions: Bhutan, Palau, Colombia, Montenegro, and Hong Kong. The firm said it is currently engaging with more than 20 other countries as well. So this concludes our top headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.